Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya and also PDF leader Banteidor Lyngdoh, while speaking to reporters recently, had confidently asserted that the party will secure around 15 to 20 seats in the upcoming 2023 Assembly elections, even though till date there is just himself and the MLA of Sohra constituency Gavin Mylliem who are confirmed candidates to the upcoming elections.
No, actually, I've already made it clear. 2023, I will contest from the PDF, which already know, and I've already made the statement also, which the party I won. I'm the minister now for 5 years. I have to contest from the party, which I love. This is a regional party.
So what about the rest of the MLAs, your MLAs?
I don't know about the others, but till now, we haven't get any clear message from them. But me, myself, and Gavin Mylliem, MLA of Sohra, we have made it clear in the CEC last time when we had that we'll contest from the party PDF.
How many seats will you be contesting?
It will be 15-20 seats will contest, especially in the East Kasil. Most of the candidates we already, been decided.